In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stamp to a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat DC. Stamps are a handy feature in Adobe Acrobat that allow you to mark up your documents with pre-designed or custom labels, making document management and communication more effective. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can easily and confidently add a stamp to any PDF document you're working with. First, you'll need to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat DC. Once your document is open, you're going to focus on the tools provided within the software. To start, navigate your way to the top menu and look for the Tools option. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. What you're interested in here is the Comment tool, so go ahead and click on Comment to open the Comment toolbar. This is a versatile area in Acrobat where you can do a lot more than just adding stamps, but for today, we'll keep our focus on that particular feature. Once you have the Comment toolbar opened, it's time to locate the Stamp tool. This is usually represented by a little stamp icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this icon, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. This menu is where you will choose your stamp category. Adobe Acrobat DC offers several stamp categories to choose from, such as Dynamic, which may include those with dates or personalized data. Standard Business for more generic needs. Sign Here stamps, which are useful for indicating where signatures are needed, and Custom stamps if you have specific designs you use frequently. Select the category that best fits your needs and then pick the exact stamp you'd like to apply. With so many choices, take a moment to consider what best suits the purpose of your document. Now that you've chosen your stamp, the next step is placing it on your PDF. To do this, click directly on the spot where you want your stamp to appear. If you prefer, you can click and drag to define the size and position of your stamp, giving you control over how it integrates into the document. Once you're happy with the placement and size, there's just one more crucial step: saving your work. Saving your PDF ensures that the stamp remains a permanent part of the document, reflecting the changes you've made. Simply go to File and choose Save to make sure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully added a stamp to your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat DC. Whether you're looking to make document handling more efficient or just adding a layer of professionalism, using stamps is a straightforward way to achieve your goal. Thanks for watching, and happy stamping!